Hi, my name is Dutch with Acorn Engineering. Today I'm going to show you how to prime the instantaneous hot water heater that comes with your portable sink.
If you have already plumbed your new sink and water heater, you must prime the water heater prior to plugging it in. First, open the pop-off valve. Then, pump the foot pedal until you have water coming out of the pop-off valve. Close the pop-off valve. Continue to pump until you have water coming out of the faucet. At this time, you may plug in the heater. Your portable sink is now ready for use. For any further questions, contact Acorn Engineering.